If you're someone who feels disrespected or humiliated around others, you're not alone. When I was a teenager, I felt the same. I used to be insecure, quiet, and unsure of myself. But today, I've become one of the most confident and respected people in my circle. In this video, I'll share how I transformed myself, from being the weak, insecure boy to becoming respected and confident. When I was in college, I was an underconfident teenager filled with doubt and insecurity. I had moved to a new city, far from home, and had to deal with strangers often. And that's when I saw the cruel side of the world. I noticed something strange. People who were angry or bitter would often direct their anger toward me, because I looked weak. They wouldn't do the same to confident or strong people. Always remember, anger is rarely thrown at the strong, it's usually dumped on the weak. I'll explain more about this in point 4, so keep watching. One day, I came across a powerful book called The Silva Mind Control Method by Jose Silva. It taught me how to control my thoughts through observation, and that became the turning point. From that day, I started observing people and patterns, and I discovered 4 powerful secrets to earn respect. Don't miss any of them, especially the last one. Secret 1, respect yourself first. I realized that my inner self-talk was full of negativity. And here's the truth. The way you treat yourself is the way others will treat you. You may say, I treat myself well, but if your subconscious mind is filled with self-doubt, guilt, or shame, people will sense it. So start now. Speak to yourself like your best friend. Be kind, supportive, and respectful inside, and others will follow. Secret 2, don't react, respond instead. If your emotions are controlled by others, you'll always be miserable. Here's what changed me. When someone tries to trigger you, don't react. Instead, pause, and respond calmly. One trick that works for me: bless them silently. Why? Because blessing neutralizes the poison. The more you react, the more you remember their words all night. Don't give them that power. Mind your own business. Stay calm, and never take things personally. This calm energy makes people respect you. They know you're in control. Secret 3, speak less than necessary. Silence creates mystery, and mystery creates respect. As humans, we often say foolish things when we talk too much. So keep your words valuable. Speak only when needed. This shows maturity, self-control, and intelligence. When you talk less, people start listening more. Secret 4, be bold, face challenges daily. This one takes real courage. Here's what I want you to do. Whenever you face a challenging or scary moment, don't run away. Instead, sit with the discomfort for 3 minutes. Just stay there, voluntarily. What you're doing is rewiring your brain to stop seeing fear as danger. Now here's where the anger part 1 mentioned earlier connects. People direct their anger at the weak, not the strong. When you start facing your fears daily, you become mentally and emotionally strong. People can feel that energy, and they stop messing with you. Also, start making eye contact when you talk. Yes, it's hard at first, but it works. Here's the correct rule. When talking to someone, keep eye contact about 50% of the time. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to show confidence. Break it naturally every few seconds so you don't look like you're staring. Eye contact builds instant respect and authority. Make it a habit. If you've watched this far, drop a like and comment. Now you know how to earn respect, but here's the twist. If your life isn't in order, you'll keep slipping back to your old self. So if you want to fix your life completely, click the video on the screen now. I'll meet you there.